Tired of annoying ads cluttering your browsing experience? They slow down your pages, eat up data, and make everything feel messy. But installing an ad blocker? That can be complicated, or even blocked by some websites. What if I told you there's a quick, free, and super simple way to block ads? No extensions, no complicated setup, just one click. Introducing the Ad Remover Bookmarklet, a tiny piece of code you add to your bookmarks. Whenever you click it, poof, most ads disappear instantly. Let me show you how it works. Add a new bookmark and name it something like Ad Remover. Then copy the code from the description below, paste it into the URL field, and hit save. Now just click the bookmarklet when you're on any site. Watch how ads vanish instantly. It works by hiding elements like banners, pop-ups, and video ads. This code works like a laser. It scans the web page for over 20+ ad patterns, like Google ads, video pre-rolls, sponsored boxes, and even sneaky iframes. Give this trick a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech hacks.